Here's a quick tip for when you got a nail that hit a screw. Use a vice grips, put a piece of wood behind it, roll it back, mar your scrap, not your baseboard. Finishers will love you.
That is another first for me, and I appreciate what you're showing me right now.
The cheapest track saw on Amazon, but is it worth it? I'm excited for you to get started with your Wen track saw. Again, you can grab one at the link in the description below this video, but I really don't have a whole lot of negative things to say about this saw. Highly recommend the Wen track saw for beginning woodworkers or even contractors and cabinet makers who are on a budget. This saw is extremely easy to use, and for beginning woodworkers that don't want to go out and spend $400 or $500 on a table saw, maybe you have limited workspace, so you're looking for a fold-up table saw, and those are going to run you a little bit more money. This saw stores away with very little space. The Wen track saw is a fantastic option for those who are getting into woodworking. It's a fantastic option for those who are looking to save a little bit of money on their tools, and it will get the job done. Subscribe to Warrior House DIY for the full-length video. Warrior House DIY, empowering you with skills for life. Make sure to like this video, check out our helpful links in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe.